Hey my internet friends, in this video I'm going to show you about how you can add extra security into your cPanel. So if you're a developer or if you have a website, you know about how much important in the cPanel, like your control panel, website control panel. Because if someone know about your cPanel username and password, then he can easily access your website database, your website source code, your banding email, and etc. That means he can do anything which in your mind, which he just want to do. So that's why I'm just telling you, it's you just need to keep it more secure. You just need to add extra security into your cPanel. Before continue, I'm just recommend you please click on the red color subscribe button and also click on the notification button, because when I upload new video about tips and trick or make money online or WordPress or any problem solving video, then you will get the notification. So let's jump into our cPanel. So as you can see, I successfully login page in my cPanel login page. So I already input here my username and password. So if I click on this login button, then you will see I automatically redirect to my cPanel all page, and my cPanel not ask me about my two-step verification. And one thing is, if you want to add two-step verification, you must be install another application into your phone. Its name is Google Authenticator. Don't worry, I'm just showing you how you can get the Google Authenticator link and everything. Okay, so here as you can see our cPanel access, and we just need to finding out the function two-step. Okay, so as you can see, when I add here two, then I automatically got here this two-factor authentication, I think authentication, two-factor authentication. Just simply click on this authentication, and here as you can see, set up two-factor authentication. Okay, so I just click on this, and then you will see I got an extra as a QR code. So security reason, I'm not showing you my QR code, and I'm just go to my Android phone, and you just need to go to Google Play Store. And if you're using Apple, you just need to go to this Apple Store, and you just need to finding out here Google Authenticator. Just Google Authn. Okay, as you can see, I got this file. You just need to install this Google Authenticator for application, and when you install this, you just need to open it. Open it. Okay, simply open it, and when you open it, then you'll see your all file locate or all files showing in there. And here as you can see the plus icon, as you can see here the plus, you just need to click on this plus icon, and then you'll see the two options. One is scan a QR code, and another is enter a setup key. So we have the QR code. So I just click on this QR code option, the camera option, and then I'll get this type of box. So I just need to scan this. So when I scan, then you'll see I got this, and if let me show you, I think this is my last one. Okay, so this is the last one hosting the authenticator access. So when it's done, then you'll got this security box, here the security box. So we just need to add here the security this code. So as you can see, this is our security code, so we just need to input here. So my security code is one, let me input here, and click on this configure and this button. And also as you can see, if you see here, this is the timing. I think that every single 1 minute they are give us a new security code. Okay, so as you can see, we are successfully add here this two-factor security code, and let me go to here, and as you can see, we are successfully add here. And if you want to remove this two-step security, you can easily remove from there. So now I just log out this account, and let me show you how it's working. So as you can see, I successfully log out, and I just click on this login button, and then you'll see it there telling about our security question, this security code. So I already tell about every single 1 minute they generate a new code. So I don't worry about this, and I here this code. So I just need to add here this code. So I just input here this code 138. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so as you can see, I successfully log in my cPanel. I hope guys now you understand about how it's work and how we can add two-step security. So if you don't need this two-step security option, so you can easily opt this. Let me show you how you can opt this two-step security. So you just need to click on this 2 step, like remove this, and here again I just click on this remove. So then it's automatically like remove. So as you can see, I successfully removed. So I'm recommending you try to add this two-factor authentication that help you and get an extra security into your website, because you know, if you using cpanel, .NET cpanel, that means it's very easy to get the cpanel access. Like if you add here as like if you add here like your website domain name and also add the cpanel, then you can easily redirect to the like control panel. Okay, so that's why I'm just telling you, try to add this two-factor authentication. If you like this video, just click on this like button, and if you're new here in my channel, so please consider unsubscribe. And if you like deals, so please check my video description, because I already provide you some discount link, and if you use my discount link, that means you will get up to 50+% commission. Okay, so I've already give you the domain hosting link, also Fiverr link, Pioneer link, lots of link, so please check it out.